Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to unflatten image in photopea. Let's get started. First of all, flatten, click any layer, right click and see this flatten image. Then step 1, press Ctrl Z back or again flatten image, double back, hold Ctrl Alt Z. Again hold Ctrl Alt Z, double back. Again undo or redo, hold Shift Ctrl Z. And way last way go to window tab, history, see this flatten image and before flatten image. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.